Good morning children. Welcome back to our maths online class. Let's continue with the revision. Question H. Rewrite the following in ascending order. Ascending order means you all know that we have to arrange the given number from smallest to biggest. Now here to find the number, the smallest to biggest, we will consider the number at leftmost. In first number we have 8, we have written down. Next one 7, that is also we have written. Next number we have got 4. Among these three numbers, we know that 4 is the smallest number. So the number, your option, correct option will begin with 4. Okay, that 4 means 400. The number related to 4 is 400. Now let's look for the number 400 at first. So the first number we have no 400 at first place. In second number also 400 is not at first place. And third number you see, we have 400 at the first place. But the second number you see, we are getting 8. That is the greatest number. Okay. Then we are leaving 7 in between. So third option also wrong. Then next we will go for our option D. 400, then 701, 864. This is your correct option. Just you have to put a tick mark. Then next one, question number 2. 379, 937, 793. Now let's write all the leftmost number from 3 numbers. We will get 3, 9 and 7. 3, 9 and 7. The smallest number is 3. The second smallest number is 7. And last, the greatest number is 9. Now we have to arrange the number this way. Okay. 3, 7 and 9. Okay. The first option 379. So we have to go for the second number also. 793, 937. The first option itself is correct option. So we will not check any other option. Question number 3. 269, 962, 629. Now let's arrange our same formula. We can use the leftmost number 2, 9 and 6. 2, 9 and 6. So the smallest number will be starting from 269. Yes, we have 269 at the first place of option A. At second place we have 6. Correct, 629. And third place also we have 962. Okay, the correct option is first one. So our answer is ready. We have solved our first question. Our second question is rewrite the following in descending order. Just opposite of ascending order. In descending order, we arrange the number from greatest to smallest. So here we have 680, 686, 866. 2 times 600 is there. So both time we will write 6 and also 8. 866 will be the greatest number. Okay. Then next number, the next number will be, then we will check for the second number, that is 8. Both the number have 8 in it at tens place. So we will go for the number at ones place. So one number has got 0 and another one has got 6. So 866 will be the greater number and second greatest, second number and last number. Okay. This way we have to arrange. Now let's go for the option. The first option we have 680. That is wrong. So in second option you have 866, right. 686 and 680. Whenever you write an exam, you should keep, especially for maths exam, you should keep a rough copy beside you. Even you are writing online the exam, you need a rough paper just beside you, so that you can do this way. Okay. Now second question, 910, 109 and 918. Now let's arrange. The greatest number, we know that 918. 918 and then 910 and 109. We will go for this option. Now here you see the first option itself, you have the correct answer. So here. Now third question, 512, 215 and 520. Now first let's arrange the number. 502 are there. So second number, that is 2 and 1. So this will be the greatest number. 522, 512, 215. So the first option, you see, first option 522 we are getting, 512 and 215. Yeah, correct option. So this also we have done. Question number J. Complete the number pattern. Here 191, 192. Here 1 after 2 you are getting 2 after 3. That means that in this number pattern we are increasing with only 1. That means we are adding 1 in at one's place, number 1, 2 and 3. Next number will be 4. So we have to look for the option like that. Likewise 196, 3 after. That will be wrong answer. Here you see, here you have 194. And next number 195, 196. Yes, this is the correct option. Now question number 2, 625. After you are getting 630 and 635. That it is understood that here it is increasing plus 5. Here we were increasing plus 1. Here it is plus 5. So 635 plus 5, it will be 640. So we will go for the first option. 640, the number first option is not beginning with 640. So we will go for second option. In second option also, first one is wrong. Then we will go for third option. Yes. Here 640 we have. Let us see our second number. Yes. 645, 650. This is your correct option. Now here, question number 3, 771. Then 773. That means increasing by 2. Increasing by 2. When we add 1 plus 2, we get 3. So 775 plus 5, it will be 775 plus 2, it will be 7. Okay. So here let us see 700 answer. We should begin with 777. Yes. Our first option begins from 777. Then 779, 801. This is the correct option. Here write in counts of 5. That means increasing by 5. 785. 785 after, here we are getting 790, 795 and 800. Till 800 we have to do. Yes, this is the correct option. Here you have got the answer. Now question number 2, 950 to 965. Here you see, this is 945 and 55. This is wrong answer. Now let's see this. 950. Our question begins from 950. Right. 55. Yes. Increased by 5. Then 60 increased by 5, 965. This is the correct option. And now let's see question L. Write in the counts of 10. 270 to 300. 10 we have to increase with 10. 270 plus 10 is equal to 280. Like that we will have to count forward. In question number 270 it begins. So in first option you see 270 is there. Let's see 280, 290 and 300. First option itself is correct answer. Now no need to waste your time for the next options. Question number 2. 880 to 910. 880 plus 10. 890 we will get. Now let's see. 880 we should begin with. So the first number 870 is wrong. We will go for the second option. 880. Yes, we have 880. Then next number 890. Yes. When we add 10 plus 10 plus 90, we will get 900. Right? 910. This is your correct option. Now question number 3. 440 to 470. 440 to 470. First option you see you have 440. Yes. Increase by 10. 450. 460 and 470. This is your correct option. Now let's see our next question. Question M. Write in counts of 100. 600 to 900. Question 1. 600 to 900. 600. First one. See, first option 600. We will increase by 100. That means here in hundreds, at hundreds place number we will increase by 1. 7. Right. 700. Then one more 100. 800 and 900. Yes. Our first option is right. Our last question. Form the greatest and the smallest 3-digit numbers from the given digits. You are getting 8, 9 and 4. You all know the rule. You have to keep a rough paper with you and you have to arrange. To find the greatest number, you will arrange the digit from greatest to smallest. This is greatest number. Greatest. And to make smallest number, what you will do? You have to arrange from smallest to biggest. So we have smallest number 4 and next number 8 and next digit last one 9. This is the smallest digit. Greatest number and smallest number. Now we will search for these 2 digits in the option. First option itself is right option. So that is 984 and 489. Now our question 2. 8, 3 and 0. So here first same rule we will use. We will arrange for greatest number and the smallest number. You know that never we begin a number with 0. So we will write next smallest number 3, 0 and 8. These two will be the greatest and smallest number. Now we will search for these 2 numbers. Yes, option B we have the same digit, same number. This is your correct option. This is all for today. This is the way you have to give your first term examination. And thank you. Have a nice day. Tomorrow we will meet with our chapter 2.